When people talk about artificial intelligence, the conversation often sounds like this. Will AI replace teachers? Will AI replace jobs? Will AI replace learning? But the more time I've spent working in education and technology, the more I've come to a different conclusion. The real issue isn't AI. The real issue is understanding. Over the past year, while leading district AI task forces, I saw firsthand many educators were afraid of AI. They were unsure of how it worked. They were unsure of what it could do and what it couldn't do, to be frank. And honestly, that makes sense. People, as we all know, tend to fear what they do not understand. So the answer is not to ignore AI. The answer isn't to rush into AI. The answer is to understand it. Because when people begin understanding something, they begin to make informed decisions. They can create thoughtful policies. They can establish appropriate guardrails, and they can help students navigate a changing world. The future belongs to those who understand these tools, not the people who avoid them. I'm Dr. Kristofer Stubbs, and I help schools and educational leaders prepare for the future of learning and work.